Hello, adventurers. We are in downtown Sapulpa, Oklahoma today. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
This is the third year of the famous Sapulpa, Oklahoma Christmas Chute.
Route 66 Christmas Chute is its official name. But we wanted to come down here so that we can go shopping in some of the businesses down here and get something to eat at the,
Crossroads Cookery.
Crossroads Cookery. I always want to call it something else, but thank goodness for Sawyer. So we wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like when it's still sunny. We're not going to get into the details of it because it looks way cooler when it's nighttime and the lights are on and all these decorated areas. But let's show you some right now. I'm gonna get dizzy.
There you go. All right, Danny, let's go adventuring.
One of the coolest things about this is the name gives it away, I think, but it is the Route 66 Holiday Christmas Chute, which means it's on Route 66. So this strip of road right here in Sapulpa is Route 66. So this is what it looks like when it's not quite dark yet. There's still plenty of people down here wanting to look at all this stuff. Well, every year, this is the third year that they've done this, they add more cool things to it. Again, this is their third year doing it. You can rent an igloo for your family, which is not really like a real igloo. It's like a clear tent with cool stuff inside. But you can do photos with Santa. You can watch, I think, this particular day that we're here, there's a guy that says toy making. He's going to be doing like a, I don't know what to call it, like a showing people how he makes toys. Yeah, this is one of the bigger, more popular, I'd say, holiday things to bring your family to. It's free. Just make sure you're looking at the temperatures, and if you want to do the scavenger hunt, that is also available. I believe you get a paper at, so swing this way, Sawyer. I think you can get, there's a little booth that says info. I believe you can get your scavenger hunt paper there, or you can print one off from their website. So there's a couple ways to do that. If you and your family want to make it a thing, do that scavenger hunt. That would be pretty fun, I think. But there's lots of opportunities to take photos, lots of opportunities to just soak in the holiday magic, the holiday cheer. This is a lot of fun. I've never seen anything like this other than the other time we came, of course, but like anywhere else my family has lived. Never seen anything like this. We are approaching the Merry Market area, and I believe these are all local vendors selling their goods, and they're each in their own like individual, I guess this would be considered like a shed. It's like little houses all lining the street. Look at it, that's so cute. They're all decorated. Oh look, here's a gingerbread man. Hi, gingerbread man. Hello. All right, so right now we're just kind of seeing what's up here, but I definitely want to go in some of these. Here we have the igloos that you can rent, and it is a popular thing to do. So if you want to bring your family down here and sit in the igloo, I think you can book that on their website. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I'm interested in a hot Dr. Pepper. You guys, if you have known me for any span of time, you might know that I like to try things. Sawyer would say I fall for gimmicks, and I would say that's pretty accurate. Right here is a dirty, hot Dr. Pepper, and one of the food trucks over here had it like as one of their things they were selling, so I got it and I tried it. And what that is it's hot Dr. Pepper, and then they put French vanilla creamer in it, so it's got a little zhuzh. So if you're familiar with the dirty Dr. Pepper trend, it's usually like lime juice and just sweet cream mixed into it, but it's pretty good when it's hot. And I guess this was a hot Dr. Pepper was like a trend some generations ago, so I think it's coming back.
So this area right here is a new addition from when we were here last year. And if you stand just right, the 66 lines up perfect in the sign. Really cool. Oh my God. They built up this area, and there's a stage where a band is going to be performing later. That's funny. Santa! Santa has arrived in Sapulpa. Is Santa in there?
It looks like Santa and Mrs. Claus are ready for pictures. Oh, there they are.
Oh, there's Mrs. Claus.
Let it snow.
Holy smokes, look at these ornaments. Oh, that's awesome. Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas.
I didn't realize they had sprinkles like icing on the outside of this one earlier.
Oh, that's cute.
Adventurers, this concludes our time here in Sapulpa, Oklahoma at the Route 66 Christmas Chute.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!